Quick Lasers 3D laser cutting machine is equipped with a fully enclosed safe room. It uses a high-precision 6-axis mechanical arm and a 2-axis positioner, which is capable of cutting various special-shaped tubes and end faces at different angles. The hemispherical tubes with a diameter of less than 2,400 millimeters can be processed. Besides, the fixtures can be replaced quickly, and the specifications of fixtures can be identified automatically. The equipment processing area is equipped with a high-precision synchronous monitoring system. It has the characteristics of good flexibility, fast speed, low energy consumption, and high safety. The high-performance 5-axis cutting head realizes cutting at any angle and maximizes the processing efficiency and accuracy. It is applicable to the processing of various sheet metal parts of automobiles, fitness equipment, special shaped plates for nuclear sector, new energy battery pack covers, etc.